You have mastered the art of managing money. You have saved. You have invested. You are insured. But you're still trapped. Well, after you have handled all the fight to control your finances, no matter what you do, there are people who are smarter than you. There are companies smarter than you, and they are after you to take your money. They lay a trap, officially, legally, to take all your money, to wipe off all your savings and finances.
If you think you are bad, I'm your dad.
यही बोलते होंगे कंपनीज हमारे पीठ पीछे, नहीं? क्या है ये ट्रैप? What are these traps? And how will you save yourself? This video is all about the traps that are laid by the big giants. The traps that are laid to take all your money. The traps that lure you with huge discounts, offers, attractive schemes, products, and instigate you to spend everything that you have. But before I begin, a disclaimer: I'm not against any of these products. I'm not against any of these companies. I respect them. If the product is there in the market, it has been approved by the government. But you know what? Be it the companies or be it the government, everybody wants you to spend your money. The companies want it for their profit, and the governments want it to boost the economic activity. So unfortunately, you are in a pool which is luring you to spend all in, all out. You're welcome if you want to, but if you want to save your money from them, stick around. Like this video and subscribe this channel right away so this video reaches a lot of people and everybody becomes aware of these traps. Traps are designed to lure you to spend more than you want to, or even it's designed in such a way that it lures you to spend more than you can actually afford to spend. I'll list out some products that are consistently trying to lure you to spend more and put you in a deep, deep hole. A hole from where it is very difficult to come out. Broadly segregating them as pay later products, buy now, pay later, credit cards, loans, consumer loans. Wow. The most dangerous one, advance cash. Companies are giving advance cash. Amazing. How horrible that can be. The pay later products are becoming very common nowadays. Buy now, pay later, pay in installments, pay after 60 days. They are coming into consumables too. Buy this gadget, pay after 60 days. Wow, that's amazing. All of this looks so cool. So cool. You can buy the product now, you can get the product now in your hand and think of the payment later on. Wow. You also get a 10-15 day return policy. So you buy the product, don't like it, return it back, and get your money back. Advance cash in your hand. You finish your salary, they pay you advance cash to pay your electricity bill, to pay your credit card bills, to help you manage the cash crunch. They say it's an advance salary even before the next salary gets credited to your account. What? Do you really fall for this? If you're choosing to opt for something like this, you're gone, finished. Why? Because you've already proven that you cannot manage your finances. You have already proven that the salary that you're getting is not enough for you. You cannot manage yourself on the amount that you get at hand. And if you cannot manage your salary, they are providing you more to mismanage. You're gone, finished. The credit cards are even more lethal. We think cash transactions are becoming a headache because getting a change is very much difficult nowadays. We smart people believe that cashbacks and discounts are beneficial. We smart people believe linking our credit cards to UPI to make regular transactions. That is smart. How many of us believe this? Yeah, the government promotes it. No doubt about it. It is legal because the government is promoting it. But is it healthy for you? Is it healthy for you? Is the main question. You know what it does to you? Any wild guess? Any idea? They're playing with your head, all of these products. They're forcing you to make a behavioral change, a change in your character. It takes time. It takes a lot of time. That's why you see these advertisements, they come on a regular basis over a very long period of time. Until you fall for it and start making it as a part of your life. It is very difficult to make this change, this transition. It takes a lot of time. But again, the same thing happens. Once you transit into the new world, once you transit into the world of these pay later products, credit cards, loans, EMIs, it's again very difficult for you to come back to your original state. And it's even more difficult because your original state was a state of a difficult life, but a peaceful life. Once they have successfully transited you into the new life of credits, they have got you. They have trapped you completely. Look at this article from Forbes. It says McDonald's started accepting cards as a form of payments way back in 2004, and the justification behind it was supports our ongoing commitment to provide a relevant, convenient experience that offers choice to our customers. That was their narrative. But the result was, consumers say that they make 52% more on an in-store payment when they use credit cards. Compared to just 32% when they make payment using cash. That's a 62% jump in sales in the business. Why wouldn't the business go through all the hassles of making this transition? Tell me why. If you allow a card transaction in a store and you get a boost of 62% on your sales, why wouldn't you do so? Now just think, had this not been the case, if the market survey didn't reveal this information stating that there is a 62% boost or any substantial boost in sales after you use your credit card or after you use your card as your payment, would the store take the pain to implement credit cards in their business? No, they wouldn't, because there isn't any change for them. Do you think you would have done it? Do you think you would have established a card transaction system in your store if you had one? No, you wouldn't. Why would you take the pain? Why would you spend the extra money to go through all of this if there is no substantial increase in sales? Now, this whole makeover of the payment system in this industry using the cards and credit cards, yes, it did make things easier for the customers, but at the same time, it cost them 60% more. It cost the customers 60% more, which means you throw away 60% more cash out of your pocket, which otherwise you could have saved and invested. The companies are happy because they are making more profits. The government is happy because there is an increase in the economic activity. You are also happy because you are now getting what you want in easy EMIs. They have already trapped you. They have trapped you in buying things that you do not want, and you are falling for a habit of doing so. Loans, consumer loans, car loans, bike loans, loans for everything, EMIs for everything. They've gone down so far and so cheap that you make a spend of just 2,000 rupees using your card and you get an SMS from the bank saying that you can convert this into easy EMIs. Easy EMIs for a payment of just 2,000 rupees. And this stupid guy takes the opportunity. This person cannot even afford to buy a product worth 2000 rupees, and he swipes it and takes the opportunity to convert it into easy EMIs. Do you even fathom the level of severity with which these guys are tightening the screws down your app? Sorry, can't use that word here, but समझ जाओ, आपकी तो बुरी तरह लग चुकी है. अब बस हिलाते रहना. Milkshake. You make 10 such purchases and you would soon find yourself paying 2000 rupees as an EMI. That too with an interest. God, you didn't have 2000 rupees to pay for that product. You chose to buy it on an EMI and now you're paying 2000 rupees a month. Did you realize how tightly it's screwed now? You know what it elevates into? Into something which you cannot afford to. Buying the next gadget, the next new iPhone, the new vacation, the new Armani jeans, the new super dry jackets, the wood boots. And you do it with the next one, and the next one, and the next one. You save nothing, but you go out on a vacation with a personal loan. You enjoy a week's vacation, and you take the pain of paying off that loan in EMIs for the next 5 years. Does this math make any sense to you? If somehow you feel ashamed that you have not started investing, you see your friend who has made something and you start investing now, boom, as soon as you reach a certain amount, you take that out to buy the next new car or go out on a dream vacation. All of a sudden the need arises. The need arises for you to change the old car, for you to take a next vacation. You're pissed off in your present life. The need arises because you now have the money in your investments. And it's itching. It's asking you to spend it. You enjoyed the 4 cars. You enjoyed the vacations. You enjoyed the fake, filthy, rich show of life. You made those companies happy. You made the government happy. At what cost? At the cost of your life. At the cost of your future. See, this is exactly what happens. You fall for a trap on any of these products, any of these offerings. You get sucked into any one of these products. The others start sucking you too. And the frightening thing is that this is not illegal. You can't even complain. This is what you have to fight within yourself. You have to fight the want to purchase on a sale. Not to be carried away by heavy discounts. Not to be lured by the eye-catching ads. Not to fall for a trap of easy money by the money lending apps. Getting money is easy, very easy nowadays. The more it becomes easier, the more it puts you back on a deeper hole. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it's beyond imagination. It's beyond imagination how much of an influence the government, the people, and the companies around you are making on you. It's you who have to keep your focus straight. I can give you countless examples that will make this video 24 hours long. But that's not my point. It's also not my point to demean anybody or to devalue a product or a service that the company is providing you. No. I have never said don't buy. I'm not saying don't buy. I've never said do not experience. I have not said that ever. But what I've said is buy within your limits. Buy what you really need. Buy what you can afford to buy. Experience what you can afford to experience. Start to live within your limits, and then probably you can make it big one day so that you can have enough to spread your legs. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and wait for my next video to come out. And it's all about the tricky game of interest. And if you want to see the remaining videos of this playlist, here they are. Go ahead and have a look at it right now. But if you have already managed your finances, your finance basics, then this playlist is for you. It'll tell you what to do next. Go ahead, have a look at them. As of this video, adios.